Now, here's a question for you. What do you do with a pair of 19th century Indian teak wood Corinthian columns from a palace? What do you do with the bases of them? You can see, just follow my finger, there's one there. What do you do with them? Well, if you work here at Regen, then you bring them in from India and you do something funky with them. And talking of funky, there he is. Gabor, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi. I'm good, doing well, very good.
You love all this kind of recycling and repurposing and redesigning.
Indeed. Yeah, that's sort of like that's behind our company name, Regen Bespoke Limited. Yes, yeah. Indeed. So we try to, as I said it before as well, try to regenerate, and so sort of like preserve old pieces and then try something new with it and then give another life.
Brilliant. Okay, so you mentioned these to me a moment ago, so that's why I decided to film with them, because I think the story is fascinating. So they're 19th century Indian, I am right, aren't I?
Yeah, that's correct.
And you bought them in India?
Yes, that's correct.
And tell me what you're doing now, because I find this fascinating, because I know that you work with interior designers.
Yeah, that's indeed. So basically, with these two pieces, I will start working on them from next week. So this is an order from a London-based interior design company. As far as I know, these pieces are going to New York to a customer. And basically, just for demonstration, I've got a piece of a gloss over top. So the idea is I would like to, we're going to turn these columns into a table.
Are you just going to do one table or two?
We are going to do two tables.
Two tables, so two very large side tables. And they're off to New York.
Yes, indeed, yeah.
You see, that's mega, isn't it? Because bought it in India.
Yeah.
We're now just outside Gatwick Airport, where you, from Hungary.
Yes, indeed.
You're going to, because you're an artist, you're going to create some art.
Yeah.
And then we're going to send them to New York.
And send them to New York. Yeah, it's a long journey for them, but yeah,
it's marvellous.
Indeed.
It's marvellous. Okay, I mean, they are exquisite. Let me just have a look at the quality of the carving. So, originally made for a Maharaja's palace in India. And let me have a feel of these. Oh, I mean,
really heavy, so it's,
whoa, you can't move them. Shipping cost to New York is going to be painful. But
so that's why we thought like it's a really good base for a table, because it's quite stable. So
completely stable.
And again, so with the glass top, you could see the whole piece underneath.
Is that the idea, really?
That was the idea, indeed, yeah.
You don't want to hide that, because it is very, very beautiful. Okay, I mean, you know, I've been in the antiques business for a very long time, and you know, my head is saying, what are these things worth?
Right.
And I can't actually answer the question, because I've never seen Corinthian columns out of a Maharaja's palace before.
Yeah.
So, job done, completed for your interior designer. I want my viewers at home to think about how much these tables will be worth once Gabor has finished them. Let me know if you get close to the cost here. I don't actually know how much they're going to be. Gabor, how much will they end up being?
So the price is like between 25 to 35,000 pounds each.
25 to 35,000 each.
Yeah, that's correct.
Wow.
Yeah.